What's the meaning of coconut? Coconut. Coconut.
Coconut. Coconut. A coconut is a large, edible fruit that grows on palm trees in tropical regions. It has a hard, brown shell filled with fibrous, white flesh and a clear liquid. The flesh can be eaten raw or used in cooking, while the liquid, known as coconut water, is a popular beverage. Coconut oil and milk are also commonly made from the fruit. In many cultures, coconuts have traditional uses in medicine, rituals, and even clothing and housing. Overall, coconuts are a versatile and important resource.